Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to get dinner on the table? Struggling with uneven cooking or cramped oven space for family meals? This Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster. Oven, extra large 34 quart/32 liter, 9-in-1 cooking functions. Black stainless steel is here to revolutionize your cooking game. This powerhouse combines versatility, power, and convenience in one sleek package, delivering crispy roasts, perfectly baked pizzas, and even dehydrated snacks with ease. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into why this 1,650-watt Toshiba Convection toaster oven is a must-have for every modern kitchen, sparking curiosity and proving its worth as your next culinary investment. Let's explore. Why choose the Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster Oven? Imagine a single appliance that tackles all your cooking needs, from toasting breakfast bread to roasting a whole chicken for dinner. The Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster Oven isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a 9-in-1 multitasking marvel designed to simplify your life. With a spacious 34-quart 32-liter capacity, powerful 1,650-watt heating, and a unique diamond-shaped cavity for even heat distribution, this black stainless steel beauty delivers exceptional results every time. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home chef craving versatility, this toaster oven solves your cooking woes and elevates your kitchen experience. Solving your kitchen challenges. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals, limited oven space, and the hassle of multiple appliances cluttering your counter. The Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster Oven addresses common cooking pain points head-on. Struggling to fit a family-sized meal in a standard toaster oven? The 34-quart 32-liter capacity has you covered. Tired of dry, overcooked roasts? The hot convection technology keeps food tender and juicy inside while crisping the outside. No more guesswork. The intuitive controls let you dial in the perfect settings for any dish, from a quick reheat to a slow dehydrate for healthy snacks. This Toshiba 9-in-1 toaster oven is your all-in-one solution. Key features and benefits. Versatile 9-in-1. Functionality. Why buy separate appliances when this oven does it all? Toast bread to golden perfection, bake cookies evenly, roast veggies to a crisp, broil steaks, cook a 12-inch pizza, reheat leftovers, keep dishes warm, master a rotisserie chicken, or dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. The Toshiba 9-in-1 cooking functions cover every culinary need, saving you time, space, and money. Powerful 1650-watt convection heating. The 1650-watt power and hot convection fan deliver fast, even heat to every corner of the oven. The diamond-shaped cavity reflects heat waves for consistent browning and cooking, ensuring your rotisserie chicken is juicy inside and crispy outside. No flipping required. Easy to use and clean. The intuitive control panel simplifies operation. Just twist and press to select your function, time, and temperature. The black stainless steel finish resists smudges, and the hard-wearing interior wipes down in seconds. A removable crumb tray catches debris, making cleanup a breeze. 6 accessories for instant cooking. Unbox and cook. The Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster. Oven includes a crumb tray, baking tray, rack, remover holder, rotisserie fork, and rotisserie kit. From roasting to baking, you're equipped for any recipe right out of the gate. Who is this toaster oven? Perfect for? The Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster oven is ideal for a wide range of cooks. Busy families, feed everyone with a 34-quart 32-liter capacity that handles large meals like a whole chicken or 12-inch pizza. Meal prep. Enthusiasts, batch cook, reheat or dehydrate snacks for the week with versatile 9-in-1 functions. Small kitchen owners. Compact external dimensions. 19.7 inches by 14.96 inches by 12.8 inches, save counter space while delivering full oven power. Home chefs, experiment with roasting, broiling, and rotisserie cooking, all backed by 1,650 watts and even heat distribution. Health-conscious cooks, dehydrate fruits and veggies for guilt-free snacks, or roast with convection for crispy, low-oil results. Why it's worth your investment. At its core, the Toshiba Hot Convection Toaster Oven offers unmatched value. You're getting 9 cooking functions, a spacious 34-quart or 32-liter capacity, and powerful 1,650-watt convection heating in a sleek, durable black stainless steel design. No need for a separate air fryer, dehydrator, or rotisserie. This oven does it all, saving you counter space and cash. The even heating and included accessories make it a breeze to whip up anything from a quick breakfast to a full family feast. Plus, the easy-to-clean interior and intuitive controls mean less time stressing and more time enjoying delicious meals. It's a kitchen upgrade you won't regret. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.